Hi guys, you know me, I'm Somak. So friends, remember a while ago I just uploaded a video about this geometry box only. And in that video, I have also concluded that I will upload the latest version and full version of the video. So let's start it. Now, as I talked about, this is the new classmate asteroid compass box, or you can say geometry box, or as you prefer. Now, this box is really heavy. Why does it look like it's made of titanium, bro? Okay, leave it. Now let's start. What does it entail? Whoa, 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 whoa. What do we see with it? Sharpener. It's common in every stationery box now. It's eraser of classmate. Now let's get to the compass. It's normal. It's compass. Okay. Oh. I just forgot to arrange it. Sorry. Now this is the protector needle. Whatever. Just you say. I just don't know its name. If you know, please drop it in the comment box. Now this is lead. Everyone's favorite friend. Or I guess. Now this is one pen pencil. Yeah, it's leads work. Don't get me wrong that I've bought a wrong pencil or compass box. Why am I getting it wrong? Leave it. This is the pencil. Now let's get to the scales compartment. Now this is scale 15 centimeter and well. Now this is set square 45-degree legs. Now the set square leg, and this is our well-known semicircle, or as known in mathematical world, protector. Now, why DOMS geometry? I've talked about specifications and etc. Now let's talk about the features or advantages. What is it? As we see that in normal compass boxes, there are two things. That is the angle measurer and the compass. Now, what is included in this that if I try to change, I can change. Just open it, take it, and then just insert it from here. Now they have also given some specifications about that. Yes, do not compare anything or do not click it while it is toward you and do not pull it any harsh way. See guys, wow. Now that's a very big advantage, I could say. As you can, I don't have to just go and change again and again and again. Instead, just take, apply, and done. See, wait, why is it not happening? Why? Yeah, yes, it happened. I just widen it up. Yeah. And your classmate is offering you pencil, lead, and pen pencils, which are often, or you can say rarely seen in pen boxes. Now, this compasses, you can say these are large, wide. As you can see, these are very clear and working. Oh, sorry, guys, I still put it out of my hand. Now, let's get to the main point where it is my beloved part. This is my loved scale. Now, everything. What is this scale? Was it is work or anything? Guys, this is not regular scale. It is, as you can see, it is written here till 15 centimeter. Now, but if I try to extend it, see like this. Now, whoa, it just turned into 30 centimeter scale with the specifications at the back, as you can watch to 930 etc. Now let's close it. So guys, this is available almost everywhere. Now if you try to learn from me, I would suggest you from buying from Flipkart, Amazon, and then any stationery books or the classmates official link classmate.com, or you can say the the box, or you can go in stationery station, you can say stationery shops or anywhere. Go and to get it. It's very simple. Now, the my experiences and my opinions about this box. Why this box only? Because this box contains so many features, and as you can see, there were so many objects and so many gadgets which were feeling like futuristic while it is just the modern age. Now, what are we get now? The thing is that it comes all in 250, while if we just go for the same scale or the same protector and same compass and the needle one, you need to get higher price. Well, this all is coming in 250. I know, sounds a great price, right? But it's worth it. Now you should buy it and just start reducing. If you are a student, if you're a student of any class, and if you're in college, I will also recommend this. And now it's your choice. Don't ask me. And if you have any type of queries or any questions, feel free to drop your hearts and comments in the comment box. For so guys, that's it's for today. Thank you guys for watching this. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.